Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to disable the LED light on JBL Quantum Stream microphone. To do that, you should have JBL Quantum Engine application installed on your device. And here you will see the tabs on the left side of your application and the lighting tab. So you should open the lighting tab. And here you can set it up. So for example, muted lights, you can set up the tempo, you can even so yes, right now it's enabled, so you can even change the color of muted microphone, for example, from red to blue. For example, right now my microphone is blue. You can change it in the way that it will change the color from time to time. For example, wait a while, tempo, for example 4 and 5 seconds, and right now is blinking in my case, from blue to red, from red to blue. But if you wanna disable lighting, so you should click off, and in this way, when your microphone is muted, unfortunately you will see red light on your microphone. But if it's unmuted and recording your sound, so you will don't see any lights on your mic. But of course, when it's muted, so red or blue lamp as you set up will be visible on the microphone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.